Okay, so I started the recording. So next topic is Python tuples. Okay, so tuples are much simpler as a list only. Okay, so let me put it here. Python tuples. Okay, so what is tuple actually? So tuples, it is used to store multiple items. Okay, in a single variable. It's like array. Okay, it's like array. It is used to store multiple items or elements, okay, in a single variable. Okay, so tuple can be one of four types. Okay, so like it is used to create collections of data. Okay, so collections of data. The other three are that we have seen. One of them is list. Okay, and then there is a set. Okay, and there's a dictionary. We have to see all of them, okay, one by one. We have completed list, okay. Then we have to see tuples now, and then seed and dictionary. Okay. It has different features, okay. Like list has different features, then tuple has different features, okay. So let's talk about it. What is tuple? It's a collection of atoms, okay, which is ordered, okay. So what is tuple? It is a collection of items which is ordered. Ordered means it has index. Okay, each element has index, and it's unchangeable. So see the difference between the list and tuple is, say, list versus tuple. The list is the list is changeable. You can change it, okay? Like say, I want to change at index 2, okay? The item in the index 2, I want to change it, okay? So I can just say, for example, array of 2 is equal to, I can put it in mango. Okay, that means I am changing the position 2 item. I'm changing the position 2 item, okay, and making it mango, okay. So you're replacing the position 2 with mango. That is allowed, okay. But the tuple, you know, is unchangeable, meaning you can change. For example, it is wrong, it's wrong if you change any position item. Okay, so these are few key points. Okay, and let's see the tuple, how you create it. Okay, so let me just create one tuple, fruits. So how list is created. List is created like this. Okay, and tuples created like this. Okay, so it's unchangeable. Remember, we say apple, mango, kiwi. Okay, now once it is created. Okay, once it is created, it's unchangeable. Okay, and it allows duplicates also. Okay, see, now I can print this tuple. Okay, now let me comment this if I want to run this. Okay, so if I want to run this, then I can comment it in here. Okay, now see, I'm going to run this now. See, it is showing me apple, mango, and kiwi. Now let me prove that that you cannot modify this tuple, it will throw me error if I try to do so. Fruits of, position one. I want to change mango to, pineapple. Okay. So I'm going to say, please replace mango, which is at position one. Okay. Okay. So we are replacing this mango with pineapple. So we are changing basically. Okay. So this is not allowed. Okay. So this is not allowed. Okay. In tuple. See, it says tuple object does not support item assignment. See, it doesn't support item assignment. So that is wrong. Okay, that's what I'm saying, that in tuple we cannot do modification. Okay, can't modify. Okay, items. I hope you understand this part. Okay. So now tuple items. Okay, let's talk about these tuple items. Okay, let's talk about, tuple items. So tuple items, it has positions. Okay, so let me talk about this. Okay, so it has indexes, positions. Okay, so ordered meaning what? See, ordered meaning it has indexes. Okay, zero, one, and two. So order means kiwi comes after mango, mango comes after apple. That is ordering. Unchangeable meaning, okay, see, unchangeable meaning that you cannot change it. Every item has position 0, 1, 2, and you want to change it, you cannot do it. It's unchangeable. Okay, and it allows duplicates, meaning you can have more than one item in here. Okay, with same value. Let's say I want to put 2 kiwi. I can do that. Okay. So what are these three properties that we are discussing now? Okay. So it's a order. So what is order? What is order? It says tuples are ordered, meaning that atoms have a defined order. Okay. It has defined order. Order will not change. Okay. That means order will not change. See, if you want to print this now, okay, every time you print, you will get the same order. Apple first, mango then kiwi, then again kiwi. You'll get the, items printed in the same order, always. That is order. Okay. Now unchangeable. What is unchangeable? Once tuple created, okay, we cannot change it. We cannot change. Okay, we cannot change. That means we cannot add or remove. Okay, these two operations are forbidden. Okay, so we cannot add items, remove items. Okay, after tuple created. After tuple created. So you need to be very careful. Okay, it's unchangeable. We have seen that after created, we cannot modify this. You know, and the third property, it allows duplicates. Okay, it allows duplicates. Okay, so tuples, it is indexed. Okay, so it's like index, it's like list, it is like list, it is indexed. Index meaning it has positions, values. Okay, so that's why we can have multiple. Okay, we can have multiple same values. Okay, why? Because if we have two kiwis, then we know this kiwi is at position 2, and this kiwi is at position, you know, 3. You understand? So this kiwi is at position 3. So these two kiwi, that two different values, two same values, but different position. Okay. Okay, so what we do now is we want to print the length of this. Okay, it is having same functionality as list. Okay, so let me comment this one. Okay, this theory part I want to comment it. And now let's find the length. Okay, let's find the length of it. So let's do copy paste. So let's do copy paste this. Okay. Okay, let me just do copy paste, Control C and Control V. Okay, the tuple is created now. Okay, so in this one, I can print the length of this tuple. Okay, I can print the length of this tuple. So, it's a fruits. What is the size of the fruit? Size of the fruits is you use alien function. Okay, it will return the length. So alien function provide the tuple name fruits. It should give me the size of fruits. Okay, so this is a variable. Size of fruits is a variable. You can name s also short form. Okay, so in the s variable you have the size of the fruits. Okay, so you can just have some message here before the value printed. So we can say size of tuple. Okay, fruits tuple. Okay. All right, so in here, we just need to print it, okay? So let's run this now. So you can see the tuple is printed. Now count down how many items are there. It has four items, isn't it? One, two, three, and four. So it is printing me, see it is giving me four as the size, okay? If you add more items to this, let's say kiwi, and then let's say in here I want to add pineapple, okay? So it will return five now, okay? So see, it's returning me the size five, okay? All right. All right, so now you can create a tuple, okay? Another tuple, okay? All right, so how to create a tuple, okay? So how to create a tuple? See, create a tuples. If you want to create a tuple, no, it's a comma separated list, okay? So let's say fruits, okay, one. Okay, we already have fruits tuple in here as fruits, okay? So I'm just giving the next number, okay? It's a fruits one. Okay, I can have in here, apple. Okay. Now you see, I want to create a tuple just having one item. Okay. So even though it's a one item, you provide comma. If you don't have any more items, you provide comma. Okay. So, what we do now, we, print in here the type of the fruits one. Okay. So it's a tuple or it's not a tuple, will come to know. Okay. So let's just print it. See, it's a tuple. Okay. If we just don't use this comma, okay, let me show you. We copy and we paste. And here we remove this comma. Okay. Now let's change this variable fruits to, and this is fruits to. Okay. Let's run this. See, it says it's a string now. See, the first one, this one, it's a tuple, okay? And this one, it says it's a string. You understand? Okay? So, in order to recognize it as a tuple, you need to provide this comma. Okay? If you want to make it a tuple and it's a single item that the tuple has, then you should provide comma. Okay? If you don't provide comma, it will not be a tuple. It will be a string. Look here. Okay, so comma is very important. Okay, creating a tuple, you need okay, comma, okay, even if it's a single atom. You understand? All
Yes.
right, all right. So now what we do is we can comment in all this code, okay, and we can check the different data types. How many different data types that we have? We'll check it. Okay, so we'll create different tuples. Okay, so let's say I'll create my tuple one. Okay, so it will contain like my favorite foods what I like. Okay, so I like what you like to eat. It's like let's say sandwiches. Okay, sandwich or you like burger. Okay, these are like favorite dishes of you. Okay, and then in here we say it's pizza. Okay, uh, these are unhealthy foods. Okay, but all children like this. Okay, now let me know the type of it. Okay, so I'll just print the type. Okay, it will be a tuple, no doubt. Okay, but just we can print its type. My tuple one. Okay, if we run this one, you'll see that the type is tuple. Okay, now we can create, another tuple. Okay, of type. This is like a string. Okay, containing strings. Okay, each value that you see in here, it's a string. So now we can have another tuple, okay, which can contain numbers 10, 20, 5, okay, then 15, 30, then 25, okay. So these are like numbers, okay. So you can have integer numbers in the tuple, okay. These are numbers. So we can have values. So data types are, you know, string. So items can be string, items can be string, then integer and boolean. Okay, boolean means true, false. Okay, so we are just seeing two of them. String we have seen, integer numbers we have seen. Okay, now one more thing is my tuple 3, and in here we say true. It's a boolean now. Okay, true, false. Okay, again true, false. Okay, remember these are like boolean. A boolean means only two values are in there. Okay, so what is boolean? Boolean means either it's a true, okay, either it's a true or it's a false. Okay, it's called boolean. Why it's called boolean? It has two states. Okay, true or like true or false. Okay, and tuple can contain. Finally, we can create a tuple, such tuple. Okay, my tuple. We can create mixed tuples. Okay, let's say it's a Tathal. Okay, and then in here I can put your age. You are 8 years old, 10 years old. Then I can put in your email. Okay, Tathal at gmail.com. Then I can, put it in here, your school or your address. Okay, so I can put it in here that you live in US. Okay, like that. So as you can see in here, and your, are you a kid? Okay, are you a student? Or if you're a student, we say it's a true. Okay, so now you can see in here, I have a string integer number, and also I can put it in here, you know, say 89.50% you score. Okay, so this is a fractional value. So as you can see, we have different data types in here. String, fractional values, integer value, okay, and then email string, and then boolean value true or false, okay, like that. So we have different types. Okay. Now, how can you create, a tuple? Okay. So tuple, you can create it like this. Okay. Or you can create it using tuple constructor also. Okay. So, but nobody uses this method to create, but this is useful when you want to do modifications in the tuple. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so this is commented. Okay, so creating tuple using tuple constructor or function. Okay, generally it's called constructor. Okay, now how do you create it? Let's say my fruits is there. Okay, and I want to create a tuple, so I can just create call this constructor, and in that I want to pass these items. Okay, okay, so I need to pass in here apple, banana, mango. Okay, and all I have to do is print these micros. So only difference is in here that we are explicitly mentioning here that it's a tuple. Okay, otherwise in this one we didn't mention this is a tuple. Okay, but it created successfully. Okay, so let me just comment this part. Okay, so this is commented, and let's run this now. See, in here, I think we have one more print statement in here. Let's comment this one also. Okay, this is also commented. Let's run this. Now see, the tuple is created. Okay, so we can do create like this. Okay, so what is tuple then? Okay, you understand? So let's understand the differences between the different collections. Okay, data types. Okay, so there are so there are four collection data types. Okay, so out of that, we have seen list, which is ordered. Okay, this is ordered. Okay, meaning it has index and changeable. Okay, it allows duplicates. Okay, tuple, it's ordered and unchangeable, meaning you cannot change it. Okay, and then we have said, okay, which is unordered, meaning that it doesn't have same order, it doesn't have indexes. Okay, it's unindexed. Okay, unordered means unindexed. So every time you print this, set, every time it's going to show different orderings. Okay, and no duplicates, no duplicates. Okay, I say no dupes. Okay, dupes
Okay.
means duplicate. And then dictionary. Okay, dictionary is a collection of ordered and changeable letters. It's a collection of, it's a group. Okay, group of ordered and changeable you know collection. Okay, and no duplicates in here. The duplicates are not allowed. So these are main differences if you want to learn these Python collection data types. Okay, all right. So what is next thing that we can do? So next thing we can do, let's comment this all. Okay. So this is like, part one, what we have studied. Okay. So let me just make it in here, what we have studied. It's a part one. Okay. Creating tuple and introduction of it. Okay. And mainly we have seen the differences as well. So let's, go to the part two. Like what? Like I want to, create. Let me see if everything is commented. No. Let me comment this one also. Now let me create, what we are doing, we are accessing items, okay, from tuple. Now see, we want to create first, fruits, okay. So it's a tuple, so you can create apple, mango, and it's a banana, okay. And we have to, print the mango. So what is its index? So index will be, see, index will be, apple's index will be 0, mango will be next index 1, banana will be having index 2. Okay. So if I want to print mango, I have to use index 1. Okay. So I have to say print fruits and in square brackets. Remember, in square bracket in here, okay, fruits and square brackets, I have to say position that I want to print. So it's not going to print all the items, but only single item. Okay, because I here explicitly mentioned its position. So if you run this, it's going to show me only mango. You might wonder that why did I provide one instead of two? See, your, these items, it starts, okay, from zero. Okay, you understand? So first item having index 0. Okay, it's like array. Okay, it starts its atoms from 0. Okay, let's say I have, more items in the tuple. Okay, let's say here I have pineapple. Okay, so in here I have pineapple and kiwi. Okay, all right. So now I have 5 items. Let's say I want to print last item, So that means I have to count all the items from the start, right? So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is, 3, and this is fourth, So if I provide fruits of, let's say I want to print, kiwi, then I have to mention in here fruits of 4. If I print it, it should print kiwi. But I can print kiwi in other way also. Okay. Like what? So it's a last item. So I can say, print last item in a different way. I can say that -1 means minus means negative. Okay. So -1 means, last one. Okay. So it should print. Okay. Let me just put in here. This is -1 index. Okay. So I'll just put in it in square bracket. This is, fourth one, okay, and this is okay. This is first one, okay. So in here, what I'm doing is I'm mentioning positions that I want to print. Okay, so I will see in here in the output. Okay, okay. The comma is missing in here. Okay, okay. Let's run this. So see, first position item is mango. See, fourth position item is kiwi, and -1 means last item is also kiwi. So this -1 means last one. Okay, and I want to print this pineapple. There are two ways. Either you can say, like 0, 1, 2, 3. So pineapple you can say it's a third position. Okay, or you can say second last. So -2. Okay, so when you say minus 2, you know, fruits of minus 4, it will print second last item. Or you can say fruits of 3 also. Okay, let's try. Okay, so now you understand. Okay, so let me just have one more item to this. Okay, it's guava. Okay, now this is another fruit that we have added in here. Okay, and we can specify like range also. Okay, like group of fruits names I want to print. Okay, so in that case you can specify ranges. Okay, range of indexes. Okay, let's say I want to print from print, I can say fruits, from what to what you want to print. So see, let me just, okay, so let me just show it here. See, apple is there, mango is there, banana is there, pineapple is at position. Yes, yes, pineapple is at position 3, kiwi position 4, and guava position 5. Okay, let's say I want to print from mango to kiwi. Okay, all the items. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mention like from what part to what part I want the tuples printed. From position 1 to, okay, 1 colon a position, okay, I want kiwi also printed. Okay, so its position is 4, right? So I don't have to mention 4 in here. I have to say 5. Remember, when you say 4 in here, kiwi is not printed, but in the output I want mango, banana, pineapple, and kiwi. So you don't mention position 4, you mention next position 5. Okay, then kiwi will be printed. Remember, when you mention 5, it prints up to that. Okay, not the fifth position item. Okay, so let me print this. Okay, it's printing positions. Okay, from 1, okay, up to 5. Up to 5 means it will print, but not 5. Okay, but not fifth value, fifth position. So fifth position value is not printed. Remember this. Okay. So let me just run it. See, from 1 to 5, but not fifth position printed. So see, fifth is Goa, so it's not printed. Do you see in output anywhere Goa? No. Okay. So that's the range. You can do anything inside this. Okay. Let's say I want to print from apple to banana. Okay, it's very easy. Apple is at position 0, banana is at position 2. So you have to mention 3 in here. Okay, so it will print apple, mango, banana. Okay, let's run this. See, it prints 0 to we have to say 3. Okay, but it will not print third item. Okay. Third position atom. Okay. So third position is a pineapple. It's not going to print pineapple. Up to pineapple means an apple, mango, and banana will be printed. Okay. So this is like accessing atoms. Okay. So you want to print from start to end. Okay. You can do this way also. Okay. Print, you say from start to end. So you can say in here fruits colon. So this before colon part is start, and after colon part it's end. Okay. All right. So now if you run this, you will see that. Okay. Now you can see. Okay, it's start to end. Complete tuple is printed. Okay. Please check these outputs, 3 outputs. Try to understand. I'll give you 1 minute.
Okay, okay, you can go next now. Hello?
Okay, let's go to the new part. Okay, now we want to, print from start to, let's say I want to print from apple to pineapple. So apple is the start, so zero it is. So zero you don't have to mention. You just have to mention, up to what? Up to, four I want to print, but not four. Okay, so kiwi won't be printed. If I give four, no, kiwi won't be printed. Up to kiwi will be printed, means apple, mango, banana, pineapple. So I have to say 0 and 4. But 0 can be skipped. Okay. So let's see. Print, you can say from start to up to 4. Okay. So when you do that, fruits of, start you don't have to mention, because if it's a 0, you can ignore. It will take it 0. Okay. If you keep empty, it will take it 0. Up to 4 means this. Okay. And similarly, you can do one more thing. Empty, see, you can skip it. So from, second position up to end. So end means, see, from 2 means 0, 1, 2. 2 means banana, from banana to end. End you end part you don't have to mention. You can just keep, keep blank. Okay. So from 2 to end you can keep it blank. And if it's a start, you can keep it blank. Okay. So let's, run this. See, from start to 4, apple, mango, banana, pineapple printed. From 2, okay, 2 to end. So it's a banana, pineapple, kiwi, and guava printed. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, and you keep practicing. See you in the next session. Okay, have a nice day. Bye. Let me stop sharing and stop the recording, please.